Manila, walking down Makati Boulevard. Just arrived last night. Kind of taking a walk around the neighborhood to check the area out. First thoughts are this is an absolutely massive city. Lamborghini. Massive wealth disparity. There's a guy driving a Lamborghini. Same streets, they're street kids, people digging on the corners. There's the famous Burgos Street. It's a party street, red light district basically. On the ground level it's just really gritty. There's poverty, there's crime, drugs, lots of security everywhere. At the same time, there's a lot of wealth here. There are fancy hotels, massive towers with luxury apartments. There are fancy cars driving by. Personally, I like cities like this. It's got kind of a gritty feel to it. Like you can, like the Wild West, you know, like you can do anything here. You can get whatever you want. Give you a little tour of the place I'm staying in Manila. It's an Airbnb. I think I'm paying about 25 bucks a night. It's located in Makati. So here it is. A little table, TV, fan, air conditioning. Got a queen size bed. There's a 1-burner stove, kettle, mini fridge, microwave. Got some pots and pans and stuff, kitchen utensils. And we're on the 8th floor here. So here's a little view of the city. Not a great view, but something. And show you the bathroom. Pretty basic. A shower, hot water. So yeah, staying here for about 10 days. And then I'm gonna head on to another part of the country.